Available exclusively with all-wheel drive, AWD, the Corolla Cross Hybrid maximizes the inherent potential of the high-strength TNGAC platform, enabling the all-new model to achieve high-quality performance, a comfortable ride and outstanding spaciousness. What's more, the surprising cargo capacity gives it the versatility to accommodate life's adventures. With the new 5th-generation Toyota hybrid system under the hood, coupled with the electronic all-wheel drive system that's new to the Corolla nameplate, the new Corolla Cross Hybrid offers increased power and fuel economy. With 194 horsepower and an 8.0-second 0 to 60 time, the Corolla Cross Hybrid is fun to drive while having an impressive manufacturer-estimated 37 combined miles per gallon for all grades. The 2023 Corolla Cross Hybrid will be available in 3 new grades, S, SE, and XSE, as well as the familiar LE and XLE grades. The S and SE grades come standard with 17-inch alloy wheels, 8-inch touchscreen, a sport-tuned suspension, LED head and tail lamp PS and smart key access. The SE grade adds privacy glass, roof rails and paddle shifters, not to mention standard blind spot monitor, BSM, and rear cross traffic alert, RCTA. When moving up to the XSE grade, the Corolla Cross Hybrid's sportiest offering builds on the features of the SE and gains standard 18-inch alloy wheels, premium LED headlamps, tail lamps and fog lamps, Softex trimmed seats with the addition of heated front seats and a power driver's